your say here of what you want to say about this program. So, Steve, let's start with you. What do you want to say about this program?
Well, sometimes people in sports, they say it's a game changer. And in life, this program is a game changer. And what it has done for me personally and what it has done for so many of my friends and my family and people whom I really care about, it is a game changer.
Well said. Jenny?
Yes, absolutely. I would just love to ask your listeners, if you knew you could create health, would you? And I think everybody would answer yes to that. And I just encourage everyone who's at that point to not be fearful, but to really sit down and, make a list of what your life would look like if you could change it, and what things you would be doing. How would your relationships be different? How would you be feeling in very specific activities? And then I would just encourage you then to call, get in touch with Dave and Nancy and start your journey. And many doors will open up for yourself and all the others around you, because there is such a tremendous ripple effect when we start creating health ourselves.
Beautiful. Nancy?
Yes, I am just so thankful for the opportunity that I've had to be able to change my life and for it to be something that I can take with me through the rest of my life, not just in a short period of time and gain that weight back, but to really be able to take that forward for the rest of my life. Just having changed my relationship with others and having been able to do things that I haven't been able to do before. And so I, too, would just challenge people to call. There's people that have those stories of just being struggled with their weight their whole life, and I can give them hope that can change, that can be different. So, that's just what I'd like to share with you. Call, and we can talk about that.
Beautiful. And Dave?
Nancy just said it. It is a real and authentic reason for hope, and a lot of people need that today. And if it's for the specific person listening, we'd love to talk to them, but we really ask them to remember if everything's going great in their life and this is something they resonate with and they've kind of gotten this. Everyone has a loved one or a family member or a friend that's lacking in some of this. We're all imperfect people, and we're not passing on something to tell a friend that they're unhealthy. This is so much more in terms of when we talk about optimal health. It has to do with everything to do about how we make choices, and so much improvement as possible as you go through the steps. That it's got something for everybody in that respect.
That's beautiful. Well, it certainly has helped me break the barrier to this weight loss caused by medication and by age and by hormones. And I very much appreciate that this morning I reached into the back of my closet where those skinnier clothes are. We all know what that means. And I saw this dress and on, and it fit, and the buttons closed, and there was no ripple or tear. I went, you've got to be kidding. And waking up in the morning and just moving out of my bed and going, wow, I'm not lagging here, which is a really wonderful feeling. Or doing the exercises and knowing that I can put out more of those push-ups or those sit-ups or whatever it is I'm doing. So I appreciate the opportunity for participating in this program as well. And I feel honored to meet Steve, Jenny, and knowing Dave and Nancy for many years. These are genuine people speaking genuine messages that can genuinely help you move on to optimizing your life. So I ask you to call them, Nancy, at 541-390-2273, and Dave at 541-390-2891, or go check out the website, nancymcdowell.tsfl.com. Thank you all so much for joining us. Move into your optimal health. Have a fantastic day, remembering you really can take charge and make your life happen now. Best to you all.